Alright, I'm using Alex's camera. This is the X20. Let me get out my camera. And you just push that button right there.
Okay, got it. I got it.
Alright, you're recording?
Yep.
Put this wire around you.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
Alright, here we come to the elevator at Yellow Rock.
Perfect timing, it's here.
In Galleria Mall.
You got a tour? You going down, sir?
Oh, it's very hot in here.
Ooh, what floor? Oh, where?
What's gonna do right there?
This one is bottom drive. We're gonna go hear the machine room over there later. Alex, this elevator's bottom drive.
Yep, it is. Nice. Have a nice day. Alright, one ride.
The button is still lit.
Oh yeah.
Now it goes out.
Let me do my cab view now.
Hi.
There's Jim. Oh, lots of focus. Focus. We're stopping at 2.
I'm gonna pick somebody up. Going up, y'all?
Yes.
Alex, can you step away from the doorway?
Oh, okay.
What floor you are going to?
5, please.
Going to 5. What floor you are going, ma'am? You're going to 5 too?
No, it's 5.
What's going on?
We are elevator photographers. It's a hobby, and we go around and film elevators. It's our main hobby.
Okay.
Oh.
Got laughed at.
This is 5.
This is actually the 3rd floor.
Third floor.
This is 3, ma'am.
3.
This is 3, ma'am. You're getting off the wrong floor.
Cameraman video.
So what do you do with the photos or the videos?
We run our YouTube channel. We put them on the internet.
Okay.
We are part of the elevator community. Whoa.
YouTube.
Oh, there's a... Okay.
Interesting.
I hope I don't get your pictures taken. I know.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You need help. You got it now?
Yes, good.
Oh, it's under level.
Good luck, Dale.
No, it's level
Have a
fine.
good day.
A good day, y'all.
Alright.
The button goes out when the door closes.
Uh-oh. Oh, this died.
Oh, my battery just died. You want to use my phone?
Actually, we're gonna end it. That's it.